Fala pessoal, tudo bom? Hoje eu tenho a oportunidade aqui de falar com o Mr. Mark Thurmond, que é CEO da Tenable. Mark, great to see you.
Thank you, mate. Great to see you.
Great to see you. Very nice to have the opportunity to talk about you. And first of all, I came to explain how to important this is Brazil for Tenable in the world.
Yeah. So Brazil is fantastic country for Tenable. So this is my second trip to Brazil this year in 2024. And the reason that we spend so much time as a company here is the growth is phenomenal over the last few years. So we are seeing not only government, but also businesses transition from on-prem to cloud environments, very complex. And so Tenable is all about exposure management, viewing and understanding where the different vulnerabilities and risks are in environment and being able to shed light and then prioritize that. And so we're seeing the sophistication level of the governments and the businesses here in Brazil grow very quickly. So it's a fantastic opportunity for Tenable.
Great. Data is anywhere.
Yeah.
Customer data is very important today and the future and more.
Sure.
How can you explain the strategy that Tenable for protect the data anywhere?
Sure. So listen, data is the most important.
Yeah.
When you look at AI and what's happening today, large language models, it's all about the quality and accuracy of the data. And so from a Tenable perspective, we take this very seriously. And what we do from an exposure management perspective is we look at all of the different asset types. And especially in cloud, when you look at data security posture management, you want to be able to identify and know where your data is and if it has any potential risk associated with it. And if it does, from a Tenable perspective, we want to be able to remediate that risk. We want to be able to prioritize that risk. All risk is not created equal. Sometimes you have major vulnerabilities that are being compromised in the wild that need to be remediated very quickly. So that is what Tenable allows you to do, is get that visibility and actually visualize and understand where your risk is and protect your data and protect your assets.
How can you see maturity in the studies about the security? Maybe it's half, lapse, or the maturity in the world at the same.
Yeah, so the maturity level is moving significantly fast because of really cloud computing.
Yeah.
So cloud is really forcing companies around the globe to move more data into the hyperscalers. So think of GCP with Google, think of Azure with Microsoft, and AWS with Amazon. The amount of workloads is continuing to grow into cloud, and the data sets are massive. So you need to be able to secure all of those different containers and workloads that are sitting in cloud. So that's forcing businesses and governments to take and spend more time understanding their risk, understanding their different asset types, and then making sure they patch and remediate where their risks are.
Appreciate it, Mark.
My pleasure. Great seeing you.
Great to.
Thanks, Eddie. Bye-bye. Thanks. Cheers.
Obrigado, pessoal. Se inscreve, foi aqui o episódio. Curta, compartilha esse episódio. Até mais. Mark, thanks so much.
Thanks, man. Yeah.